Well, as I've been saying lately, things escalated quickly. Was on the phone with Joe from Odyssey TV. We tried the other battery. All we got was click, click, click again. I started going through the wiring. I moved our ground from down there. You can see the bolt on the case. I moved it from down there to up here. It's connected there. Checked our ground for our solenoid or our coil wire, our CDI. We checked all the connections. Now we're going to ohm test the blue and yellow wires that go to our push button for the starter, and I replaced the push button itself with a brand new one. Apparently we must have got another one from Joe. So we're going to test both of these to test the ohms. But before we do that, me, Nick, and Cam are going to head to Joe's Pizza and get ourselves a tasty pie and a cheesesteak for Cameron. So I guess we're going to go get something to eat, and then we're going to come back and we're going to ohm test these wires and track down the issue on why we can't get our starter motor to go vroom vroom with the start button. All right, guys, things are heating up but getting frustrating at the same time. I'll see you when we get back with the pizza.